No, you can say something.
Oh, cool, that's right.
But as long as I'm not filming you, that's fine, isn't it?
No diggity, no doubt.
Exactly. If you don't want to be filmed, what's that mean anyway?
Diggity, no doubt.
What's that meant to mean?
Huh?
What's that meant to
I
mean?
don't doubt you. That's fine.
Oh, right. I'm with you. YMCA.
You got the feeling of
I was filming. Guess what I was doing yesterday?
Can you sing all the way through it?
I was making a YouTube channel yesterday on dancing.
Ah,
On lights, disco lights, and me dancing to the disco lights.
okay. That's good.
So that was all good.
Oh, nice. I'm going to save a bit actually.
Lumpy dishwasher, that smells. Can you
We'll
smell
get
it?
the new one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What colour is it going to be?
Oh, well, I don't know. What?
Fair enough. How come the dishwasher's always got bad breath?
Because the filter's not being cleaned.
Oh, isn't it?
No.
I was going to say I can smell bad breath from it.
That stuff don't clean the filter. Right.
Who cleaned the filter then? Nobody.
Night staff's supposed to do.
Oh, how come they don't do it then?
I don't know. How come they do it?
True.
I'm going to put it on a really low heat. Just so it defrosts. Oh, I can smell that. I might put a bit by
Might do it together.
tomorrow.
These are the cups, and these are what they look like. You'll be drying it. It's nice to film something that I haven't filmed before. It's nice to try something different, isn't it?
Why can't you put it on front video? Then you can all put it one and one.
No, I can do that. Because I can do that. I can film while I'm dry. It's like multitasking.
I want to see when you do the plates. Don't be on the plates anyway.
It's called multitasking. It's just a bit of fun, isn't it?
It is when you do it, right?
Oh no, I'm a funny person.
Oh, you
My
are.
mum and dad always says that I'm a funny
You
person.
make me chuckle. There you
But isn't that better to be funny than it is to be sad?
No?
In the better
If
to
you
be
put a
happy.
smile on someone's face, mate,
Yeah, then it's good, worth
or
it.
anyone, they've earned my respect.
Yeah. I think it's all that yellow that
You've got to
I
be
had in
laughing
my
with
old
the
place.
person, not at
At the
them.
person.
Oh dear. Why don't you get Opie to video you?
OP, can you do us a favour, please? Can you video me while I'm doing this? Just hold it at its sides, don't press that red button anymore.
So funny. Right, bedrooms.
Do you want me to show your face?
Yeah, I don't mind. I like my face show. But just don't film Debbie's because she doesn't like it. Which is fair
No,
enough.
don't video anyone in the house.
Except from me.
Except for
And I don't mind being filmed. Because I've had lots of people film me before. Especially when I go to disco nights. They do disco nights in Portsmouth as well. Is it still recording? Nice. We like to hear, isn't it? And make a YouTube channel later after I've done this. Do you want all the stuff put in there as well? All the bad stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got 10,000 different cereals though.
Oh I've used mine up today, by the way.
That's fine.
Just thought I'd let you know.
That's fine, love.
Well, we've got the houses, so. What did you get then?
Me, I got my what did I get? I got my honey nut shreddies. I got,
Oh, right, lovely.
which is pretty good. It's all fine inside, which is good. Yeah, Carisha
Nice.
taught me how to crop the video if anyone's in it that they shouldn't be in it. If that makes sense.
Yeah, I would
I've
not
learned.
bother
Yeah, I've learned how to do it.
vegetable oil.
Amazing what you can do on a phone or on an iPad, isn't it?
Sure.
It's amazing what you can do on a phone and on an iPad.
Yeah.
Straight away. Just got to do the bottom bit.
Why don't we just get ready?
Nice and dry. The YMCA. I take it we got korma for tea tonight. I take it we got korma for tea tonight.
No.
No?
No.
Oh, what's not korma? Whatever it's called. What's that in there? Chili con carne.
Chili. With jacket potatoes.
You need to dry that.
Right, I'll dry it. Is that dry? That's dry. Right. Is it still filming? Right, let me do these. Get it all nice and clean before just shoving it in. Yeah. How old's this dishwasher, by the way? Just curious on how old it is. Do you know how?
It's about 2 or 3 years old.
That's quite old. Well, at least it's worked.
Uh-huh.
It's washed.
Oh, that's
Careful,
clean.
love.
It's washed.
Oh yeah, I've got it in there. That's where it belongs, obviously. Yeah, so, oh no, it's not all of it. I've got this to put in. And that's it. You can stop it there.